Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WinRAR for Windows operating system. Here is the link. Link is given in description, video description. You just can copy the link. Copy this link. Go to your browser and paste the link here and just enter. So you can see here is the WinRAR and here is the option of buy WinRAR and download WinRAR. You just can click on the download WinRAR. So download will start in a moment. You just have to wait. Download WinRAR. Okay, I just saved this, for example, on the desktop. Save. So this file is small, so it will not take much time. So show in folder winrar.exe. Just double click on this winrar.exe that you have downloaded. Click yes. Here it's going to give you the location, so you can keep the default because I already have the winrar on similar location, so I want to change this location. For this I want to go to the some other location. You don't need to change. And I click OK. I just change the location and I click on the install. You need to keep the same location and click install. Here is the option of add WinRAR to desktop. If you want to add the shortcut on desktop, you can click this. And if you want to add in start menu, you also can click this. Click OK. And now WinRAR has been successfully installed to the folder. You can do it. Done. You can see here the WinRAR is installed. So because we just download the WinRAR, we haven't buy. So first time you click here, it will give some window that open here the some price. You just first time need to close this. After that you can use the WinRAR normally to zip your file or extract your file or for other features. That was all about how to install the WinRAR for free. Thanks for watching.